pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
It's been quite the day. Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Fashionsta's box this month is heavy. This is the $25 a month box. It's a beauty plus, well, it's a beauty subscription. You get makeup plus skincare. So we are going to see what's inside. We're going to get a card. It says give thanks. On it are all the products plus their pricing. Let's open her up and see what's in here. There's a lot of black squigglies. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's put that down there. And let's see what we got. Ooh, first thing I see is a set of brushes. Ooh, who don't like brushes? All right. LaRousse. Ooh, this has got to be a contour brush. Let's see what it says. Create a soft, diffused eye contour. Best used for powder products and eyeshadows. Okay, this one is definitely an eyeshadow brush. I can get her out of here. It says Made in China on there. Okay, here they are. They actually feel really good. And they've got letters and numbers on them. That's an angle brush. This one says tapered blending. So yeah. It feels pretty good, but I'm not quite sure how that one would work. I'd have to try it. This definitely for contouring, absolutely. Let's see what they're worth. $28. Okay, so far we've got brushes. Okay. Coffee's getting cold. All right, now we've got 3 Grace's Beauty Lip Savior Love Yourself. It says cruelty free. Okay, wait. Huh. $18. It's a lip rejuvenator, blurs fine lines, and restores the lips' delicate barrier for soft, plump lips all day. All right, there's no safety seal on here. And it feels like Vaseline. Doesn't smell like it, but that's what it feels like. Okay, so and a lip balm. I think we've gotten 87 of those this month. It's like everyone's giving a lip balm. Okay. There's another brush in here. Okay. Which one is this? Angled shading brush. Okay. This is like the firmer brush that I use a lot. All right, so now I'm excited. So those 3 were, oh my gosh. Wait a minute. I thought it was a set. The one I just showed you, the angle shading, is a $28 brush. The tapered blending is $28. And the angled brush that you use for powder or highlight or contour is $32. Holy jeez. Here they are here. That's crazy. For one brush? Oh wow, I see a duplicate palette in here. Dominique Paul. $40 contour palette. Wow. It's heavy too. Look at that. That's crazy. May, Buddha, Dwang, Tusk, Chai, and Samu. I don't know. Comes with a mirror. These are some nice colors though. I don't think I want to swatch this because I'll probably want to do a giveaway with it. So you can highlight and contour with this brush. Okay, this palette. The other thing in here is the Moods palette. And I think this is the one that I have. I did a video on it. Yup. Laura Sanchez. We just got this. So I'm definitely going to do a giveaway with this as well. Okay, so the Laura Sanchez palette was $25. The contour palette was $40. Showed you the 3 brushes and the lip stuff. Let's see, what do we got in here? What is this that's so heavy? Simply Even Susan and Me Tone Perfecting Butter with vitamins A and E. It has a $24 value. It's to be used on the face and the body for radiant, healthy skin. Okay, let's see here. Tone Perfecting Butter. The first I heard of something like that. What about you guys? It does have a safety seal. Ooh, and it smells like coconut and or chocolate. Shea butter. Let's try a little bit. It's just like a balm. It feels like a moisture balm, but it's very light. Very light. It's not sticky in any way, so that might be really, really good. I'm gonna have to try this out. Oh, the scalp scrub in the last box works perfect. I love it, just so you guys know. Can't remember what box it came in. All right, there's one more product in here. Dr. Botanicals. Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover, $10 value. Here it is here. Okay. Let's see. There is a safety seal. I'm going to remove it. Ooh, it smells really good. So it's a cleanser. Oh, and it just came out. It's a very gel-like cleanser. Oh, I barely touched it and it came out. Ah! Okay. So it's definitely lathers up as a cleanser. All right. So, when it smells delicious. Okay. So this box is absolutely amazing. I am absolutely excited about that. I will have to put the tutorial video in here of when I use the Moods palette because I actually liked it, I believe. I have the contour palette in here. Those 2 palettes I'm going to give away, but I'm going to keep the other items. The brushes, the lip balm, the cleanser, and not the body balm, I guess you would call it. Those items I'll keep. These 2 I will do a giveaway with. I'm excited. Okay, guys, so here's what you got to do. Be subscribed to my channel, like this video in the comments below, put enter me so I know who wants to be entered in this giveaway. It will be international, which means you could live anywhere and definitely enter this giveaway. You must be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. YouTube is not affiliated in this giveaway. These are products I bought with my own money that I am giving away, so I am solely responsible for it. There is YouTube official giveaway rules down in the description box below, and this giveaway will go on from the time that this video uploads until the date in the description box, and then look for another video with the winner in it. Please leave me a way to get in touch with you in the comments below if you are entering, and thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much, and good luck. I'll see you again real soon in another video. Bye.